Hey there Titans, in this video we'll troubleshoot SmartV with sessions. Okay, so whenever we set up a SmartV, we can decide if we want to have a session for the SmartV or not. So we have a simple SmartV here set up. And the way for us to control the session, as we know, is we head over to the login, we'll click on the gear icon, and then we can decide the session duration. Now, everything is all great, but if you have a really long form or portal, one thing to consider is that it could be that the session will be finished before the user is submitting the form. What will happen is, if I will fill this up real quick, and hopefully my session is already dead since it's set up for 1 minute, and I try to submit this, it will take me immediately to the login screen, and when I log in, all my data is lost. So what can I do with this? And obviously we all know if we disable the session entirely, then we can submit it, but for any amount of time, but whenever we refresh, it will take us again to the login page. So there is a few things you can do. Let me navigate back in there. So first tool you can use is session expire. There's a bunch of actions that you can run when the session expires, like showing a modal, do not submit, so on and so forth. Obviously, if you have a very long form, you want to make sure you save along the user whenever it navigates between different pages or slides and the stepper or a tab or anything of that sort. And another really important tool is that you can use the session time. So if you set up, let's say, a session for 2 hours or 3 hours or 5 hours, and again, it's very important to know how long typically it will take the user to complete the form or the interaction with the portal before he gets logged out. And you can have a very, very long session as well. Another thing to note, like mentioned, is this. So we can do a simple condition here saying SmartV session time, and then you can say if it's, let's say, less than 15 minutes or 10 minutes, you can prompt the user, like show a message or a toast, hey, your session time is about to run out, please save before you will be logged out. And this is how it's done.